have some exciting news. I'm here to introduce 18 brand new vibrant colors. Welcome to Terra Clay paint. You can use any brush you like, but natural fiber brushes are the best. Terra paint is eco-friendly, low VOCs, matte finish, and fast drying. This beautiful water-based paint is an artisan paint. Use it to create colorful layers, textures, and visual interest. You can build those layers, paint with your fingers, your spatula, or any brush. To prepare your piece for paint, you can clean it with Terra Clean. This product will make sure your piece is free of any oils or dirt or debris. Allow your first coat to dry for 2 to 24 hours depending on the thickness before applying the second coat. Create an individual, old world, grungy look or whatever your little artisan heart desires. As your clay paint dries, you can see it lighten to a different color. Don't worry, when you get in there and use your Terra Wax along with your La Petite or Best Dang brush, you can bring back that vibrant color. You can also lock in that artwork by sealing it with Terra Seal Matte. When using Terra Wax to seal your project, be sure to come back in approximately 1 hour after application to buff back to a gorgeous sheen. You can use any gilding wax from the Dixie Belle Paint line to accent your projects. Stay tuned for these vibrant, beautiful colors to be released to your local retailers soon. Wait till you see these beautiful colors. What will you paint with your Terra?